Next, we have types of functions. Which are the types of functions means we have library functions and user defined functions. We can call UDF also, user defined functions, UDF. Now we'll see the difference between these two. First one, library functions. See, these library functions are also known as predefined functions, built-in functions and standard library functions. By these names also we can call library functions. So here, second point, the C compiler has a collection of various functions which perform the predefined task. So these type of functions are known as library functions. So what do you mean by predefined task? Which functions will do that? We'll see some of the examples. So here we are having a square root function. See, the example is written here also. See, this is one library function or built-in function, square root. If I use that square root function in my C program, automatically I can get the result. Suppose, consider float s and n value. This program is to demonstrate to find out the square root of a given number. Printf, enter the value of n, scanf percentage of and ampersand n. It means you can enter one number. Suppose if I enter 25, the square root function of 25, sqrt of 25 gives the result 5, no? So that is going to be stored in S and we are going to print it. It means no need to write our own code to find out the square root. Just use this function so that you are going to get the output. To use this function, I have to include one header file called mat.h. Got it? So like that, I have one more function called power function. Suppose if you want to find out 2 power 3 value, so we know that this is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, na? Now for this I can use one function called power of 2 comma 3. So this function is going to give the result 8. So this is the simple one we can calculate here itself easily. Suppose 2 to the power of 13, 2 to the power of 230. Got it? So this will be a difficult task. At that time you can use the power function power of 2 comma 230. So you will get the result. Got it? So if you want to use this type of functions, you have to use mat.h. In the same way, sign of some value, you will get the sign value. These are all called library functions. And here these functions are written by the manufacturers of the C compilers or developers of C compilers. They are going to develop it and they will store in a compiler. Automatically those when we are executing those type of functions, automatically it generates the code. And the library functions are ready to be used in our programs. It means if you include that header file, you can use those related functions in your C program. This is library functions. Next we'll see user defined functions. User defined functions, name itself says that the functions are defined by the user. It means you are the programmer, you are going to write the functions. Now we'll take one example here. Here difference is there. This is one normal program, addition of 2 numbers. Got it? See, int a b, printf enter 2 values a and b, sum is equal to a plus b, and print the sum. This is the normal C program. I can write the same program using functions. Got it? Using functions. This one. See, if I write like this, that becomes user defined functions. It means I am defining my own function. When we are writing functions program, we have to follow some syntax. First we have to declare the function, then we have to call the function. After that we have to write the code. Just observe here, hash include stdio.h is there, and here I am declaring one function called add, void add function. Then void main, within one set of flower brace I am calling the function called add. I am in the sense the main function will call this function to do some task. What is the task? It is written here. See, then I am going to define it. Void add one set of flower braces outside the main, int sum ab, enter the 2 values, then ampersand a ampersand b, sum is equal to a plus b, printf sum. See, the same code it is written here, but The difference is this is the normal program, this is the program using functions. Same program we are written using functions. In future you are going to get in detail what you mean by functions and how to use functions in our C program. Thank you.